Hi guys, in at Pentec, as you can see, we've got some lovely new brown boxes. Right, as you can see, it's all unboxed. This is the new Tritec M&M. Okay, it's a mini monster. It is literally a mini monster. It's a lot lighter. It's a lot more compact. It's got a 7.5, okay, thinner hose. I'll never get this right. It's 3/16. Yeah, 3/16. Comes with two really cool tips. First time ever I've seen the right tips coming with the machine. Okay, we've got a 310 and a 308. Absolutely fantastic. It's got the gauge, so we're obviously going to see where we are. And if I'm honest, it does come with my favorite gun, the 360. We've got everything else. If you're new to spraying, obviously you've got your safety card. My advice is obviously to read that. Instruction manual and the hopper. So, like I said, it's very compact. No suction hose. You can get them, don't get me wrong. But this is what we call the fine finish setup. This is what we're going to be classing, like I said, as the Tritec M&M, the mini monster. We're going to put this bad boy together. Let's do it.